Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. First off, my Makina book is out, finally out. Do grab a copy, I'll put links below. This video is about Mecha Color varnishes. We'll focus on the gloss varnish and the matte varnish. Watch until the end of the video to see how you effectively use the matte varnish. Let's watch the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and then like again, then watch my other videos. Thanks. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel.